Hey there, my fellow Scorpios. Welcome back again to my channel and welcome back to your reading. Hope you guys having an amazing day today. Thank you for supporting to my channel and thanks as well for joining me here, especially to all my soul family and soul tribes. I am very thankful and grateful for your support. To those who are new to this channel, welcome. Cross watchers are also welcome. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. So here we go. Divine God and Goddess of all beings, divine ancestors, divine spirits, spirits of all animals, show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Universal energy for the star sign of Scorpio. What is going on with Scorpio? Who is coming towards Scorpio? Is there any love interest for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? I would like to remind you guys to please use your own discernment. It's because I do believe that we are all intuitive in our own ways. And aside from that, I also believe that we are all individually responsible for our own choices and our own destiny, right? Show me the cards what I need to see, please. What the Scorpio needs to know about love, money, career, business, and studies. Who is coming towards Scorpio? What are the possible energies ahead for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? This reading is not a personal reading. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. For some of you guys, it could not be your energy. So take only what fits in your story and don't manifest the rest, okay? Show me the cards what I need to see, please. What are the possible energies ahead for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? So my beautiful souls, Scorpio, let me see your card readings for today, guys. Your current energy is the Three of Cups. No, sorry guys, this is the Lovers. Your current energy is the Lovers. We also have the Three of Swords. This is the challenge and this reading. The spiritual lesson is the Tower. The Nine of Wands is the past situation. We also have the Devil. This is the present situation. The future is the Page of Swords. Your attitude is the Page of Vessels. Outside influence is the Justice. The World is your hopes and fears. And the outcome of this reading is the Wheel of Fortune. So my beautiful souls, Scorpio, let me clarify your card readings for today, guys. Please keep in mind that this is not a personal reading. If this is not your story, don't bother. Just leave it. Take only what fits in your story and leave the rest behind. Okay? The first foundation of your reading, which is your current energy, is the Lovers. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Gemini or you have a Gemini in your birth chart. It could also be that you are attracting a person who has a Gemini in their birth chart. Could also be that this person is your twin flame. Could also be a soulmate. For some of you guys, you are going to make an important choices, a major decisions in your life. This is related to love and relationship. It could also be that you are going to meet this person during Gemini season. And Wednesday is a significant day in this reading because Gemini is embodied the energy of Mercury, and Mercury is the house of communication. And Wednesday is a significant day in this meeting. Could also be during Gemini season. You are going to meet this person personally. Both of you having a duality. Both of you are divinely guided, and you are both mirroring each other. There is also here a strong attraction between you and this person. This is also attraction related to sensuality. And I feel like for some of you, you have a past connection with this person. This person could be your twin flame. Could also be that this meeting will lead you to a platonic and a romantic relationship. Others of you, if you are married, I feel like you need to be very careful because there is a temptation in this meeting. That's why you are going to make an important choices, a major decisions in your life. This is related to partnership, love, and relationship. Others of you guys, it could also be that this is your possible partner. Could be a Gemini. Could also be other sign. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Okay? This is the current energy. The meeting of divine masculine and or divine feminine. It's because in Tarot, there is no gender. And let me see your challenge. Your challenge is the Two of Swords. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Libra, or you have a Libra in your birth chart, or you are dealing with an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. Yeah, look, your first card is embodied the energy of an air sign, which is Gemini. Could also be that you have a Gemini in your birth chart, or you are dealing with a person who has an air sign in their birth chart. I don't know what is your story. For most of you, maybe you are in the crossroads because you need to make a major decision in your life. You cannot stay in the crossroads. You need to take an action. I feel like for most of you, maybe there are people who wants to blindfold you. And that's why you are feeling confused. Could also be that you are dealing with this person who embodied the energy of a Libra, and this person put you in a third-party situation, a love triangle. And that's why this person is feeling confused because the attention of this person is divided into two. And this person wants to make an important decision in their lives, either to choose you or other person, if this is related to love triangle. It could also be that this person is now feeling confused because this person is finding you mystery, or you never show something, or this person finding you mystery. Yeah, because you are a Scorpio, and Scorpio is always mysterious, and that makes this person like confused towards you. Could be a Libra. This person could be your ex or a new person. And this person is now planning to make a major decision. It could also be that this is your energy. Because in Tarot, the energy could be reversal. So take only what fits in your story. The challenge here is that either you choose the other one, if this is related to relationship and partnership. Either you choose the other one, or you stay on the person that you are dealing with. The challenge here is to use your intuition, because the truth is that you are not blindfolded here. This is only the conflict between your mind and your heart. And there are lots of things in our lives which our mind couldn't explain. That's why we use or we listen to our intuition. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. You are also advised here to rest and calm your mind. This is your challenge. Could also be that somebody here wants to block your third eye chakra, that you cannot see the truth. Could be this person who embodied the energy of a Libra. Could also be an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or an Aquarius. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the Tower. This is the spiritual lessons in this reading. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a fellow Scorpio or an Aries. It's because the Tower is embodied the energy of Mars. And Mars is the ruling planet of an Aries and one of the ruling planets of a Scorpio. I feel like this is the end of all the illusion, the lies, the deception, the betrayals. That's why somebody here wants to make an important decision in their lives. Could also be this is related to partnership, love, and relationship. There is an unexpected ending here. You cannot see what will happen because this is unexpected ending. This is an unexpected separation. Could also be an upheaval, loss, or it could also be that you have a sudden realization of all the things in your life. I don't know where is your story here, but I feel like there is an ending here because somebody here engaged in a third-party situation. Somebody here betrayed in a certain situation. Somebody here is doing trickery behind the scenes. Somebody here is delusional. This is only an illusion. It's just like a building. When an engineer built a building, the engineer must plan it in a solid foundation and structure. It's because when there is a storm, even though it is a light storm, the building has a possibility to collapse. It's because there is no strong foundation. It's just like in a relationship. When a relationship is started with lies, deceit, betrayals, and illusion, you couldn't expect that it will last longer. And this is the Tower in this card. And this is your lesson, or somebody here learned their lessons. Could be you or this person who embodied the energy of either an Aries or a fellow Scorpio. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Okay? And we have here, just a minute, why this is so, yeah. We have here the Nine of Wheels, which is the Nine of Pentacles. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Virgo, or you have a Virgo in your birth chart. It could also be other sign. This is the past scenario. You look, there is a correlation with this Tower. Could also be that this person you are dealing with, who embody the energy of either Virgo, Aries, or fellow Scorpios. These are the relationship that is going to end. There is an unexpected ending here. This is the Tower was collapsed for a reason. It could also be that for some of you, because this is your lesson, for some of you guys, it could also be that it was already happened. There is a separation and loss in this relationship because of the distraction, chaos, and turmoil which was created with this person who embodied the energy of either Virgo, an Aries, or a fellow Scorpio. For most of you, this is your energy. You are very confident. You are also independent person. And you have a financial success and stability. It's because of your hard work and or your legacy. You are enjoying your freedom for some of you. You don't need others to validate you because you knew that you can work alone successfully without the help of other people. And that makes you stand out in the crowd. Could also be that this person who embodied the energy of a Virgo needs your financial support because this person viewed you as a person who has a stability, who had a financial support, a financial success, and that's why this person wants to have or to expect that you are going to support them. Others of you, it could also be that this person is in your family, could also be in your workplace, could also be in your friend circle, could also be your ex or in the community. If this is in your workplace, could also be that this person needs your support or wants to nurture this relationship between you and them. Could be a Virgo. I don't know who is this person in your life. But I feel like for some of you, their lies was already exposed. Because this is the past scenario. The lies and illusion. The betrayals. The deceit was already exposed. With this person who embodied the energy of either Virgo, Aries, or a fellow Scorpios. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the Devil. This is the present energy. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Capricorn or you have a Capricorn in your birth chart. Or you are dealing with a person who has a Capricorn in their birth chart. For some of you, of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like somebody here is strongly obsessed on you. Could also be that this person, because this is the previous card before the Devil, could be a Virgo. I feel like somebody here is codependent. Could be you or the person you are dealing with. There is a codependency in this relationship. Sorry guys. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are married with this person. It's because there is a legal binding here. It could also be that this person is your child. I don't know. Could also be in your workplace. Could also be in your family, your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. For some of you guys, I feel like this person is losing of hope to control you, to manipulate and to control you. Because you already knew their lies and deceit. You look, and that's why this person wants to nurture the relationship between you and them. Somebody here is very toxic and manipulative. Somebody here is engaged in an addiction. Could be an alcohol, drug addiction. Could also be a sex obsession. Somebody here is engaging you in a third-party situation. This is a very toxic, manipulative person. Either you are dealing with a Capricorn or a Virgo. You look, could also be other sign. Others of you, it could also be that this is your energy because you work like 24 hours and you become workaholic. And workaholic is also a toxic energy. Others of you, it could also be that you are prolonged into materialism. This is like our soul are killed with self-burning desires in order to win, in order to achieve at all cost. And this is the devilish energy. Could also be that this person is mad on you. This person is jealous on you because you have a financial success and stability. Could be a Virgo or a Capricorn. because this is the previous card before. The Devil. This person, maybe in the past, they tried to control you. They manipulated you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. And now, since you have seen the truth that all are lies, deception, and illusion, and now this person lost their power, feeling hopeless to control you, because this person wants you to be codependent with them. Either you are dealing with a Virgo or a Capricorn. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the Page of Swords. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. It could also be a Gemini. It could also be that you have an air sign in your birth chart. I don't know what is your story. I feel like this is your energy. You are very defensive because you don't want to prolong into mental agility. You have learned your lessons, and that's why you are guarded up. It could also be that this person viewed you as a very defensive person. Could be an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. And I feel like this person is spying on you far from a distance. This person is your stalker. This person is gathering information and find ways on how to approach or communicate with you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Could be an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. It could also be that this person is strongly obsessed on you. It could also be that this is your ex or a new person. This person wants to control you. This person could also be dealing with a third-party situation. And now this person is your stalker. It could also be that there are lots of people who are stalking on you, spying on you, gathering some information about you and find ways on how to approach or communicate you. Includes Capricorn or an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. This is the future energy. So all eyes on you. You have lots of stalker. Some of these stalker are obsessed on you. They want to control you. Some of these stalker is that they hate you but they loves you. They are watching like a hawk. Some of these stalkers, they don't like you because they are intimidated with your aura and your energy, but they are still spying and stalking on you. Yeah, this is like, I hate you but I love you. Because they hate you, the reason is that they couldn't control you. They want to control you and they couldn't control you, and that's why they hate you. But they are obsessed on your aura and in your energy. The only thing they can do is to spying on you and to stalk your social media. Lots of people. And air sign and Capricorn is included in this group of stalkers. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the Page of Wands. This is your attitude. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. But normally, the Page of Wands, which is the Page of Pentacles, is embodied the energy of a Virgo. Could be that you are dealing with a Virgo, or you have a Virgo in your birth chart. This is your energy. Because you knew that you have lots of potentials, of possibilities to create something that will make you success. And you are gathering some information related to this creativity. Could also be an investment or a business venture. Others of you, you are very ambitious, practical, and you have also courage to create this new creativity and investment or a business venture. And you need to gather some information to master your skills with this new creativity that leads you to a financial success. Could also be a business or an investment. Others of you, it could also be that you are dealing with this person who embodied the energy of a Virgo, and this person wants to offer you this new creativity. Could also be an investment or a business venture. Likewise, it could also be that this is your energy you are going to offer to this person who embodied the energy of an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn, or this person towards on you. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. This is your attitude in this reading. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the outside influence, the justice. For some of you guys, it could also that you are dealing with a Libra, or you have a Libra in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like for most of you, this is your energy. The universe give you the truth, the honesty, and the clarity, the fair judgment. This is the cause and effect. Others of you, it could also be that there are people in your life who treated you injustice in the past. Now they are receiving their bad karma for what they have done to you, because the justice is just like the well of karma. What goes around comes around. This is a cause and effect. If this is related to the court, law and order, or litigation in the court, for instance, you have a divorce papers or an inheritance documents that are now in the court or whatsoever, rest assured that the justice is in your favor. It could also be that this person are now viewing you different, because this person in the past, they misjudged you. And now this person have seen the truth about you. Could be a Libra. Could also be a person who has an authority. Could also be a lawyer. And I feel like somebody here wants to return, to ask forgiveness, to say, sorry Scorpio for what I have done to you. It was just a misunderstood. They want to return to ask forgiveness and to reconcile with you. And it's up to you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, if you are going to accept their apology and reconciliation. It's because at the end of the day, you are responsible of your own choices and your own destiny. I couldn't say that you have to accept or you don't need to accept, because it's your life. And I feel like for some of you, this group of people could be in your family, could also be in your workplace, could also be in your friend circle, could also be your ex or in the community. The justice here is in your favor. You are going to receive the good karma and favor of the things happened to you in the past, where people are misjudged you, where people are did injustice on you. If this is related in your workplace, you will also receive your justice. For some of you, you have already served your justice, because I feel like for most of these people are now taste their own medicines. Whatever they did to you in the past, they are now, when they, what do you call this, when they create sufferings on you in the past, now they are suffering in silence. the bad karma hit them hard because of what they have done to you in the past. Because the universe give you your justice. This is in your favor. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the World. This is your hopes and fears. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with the 4 fixed sign in the zodiac: Leo, Aquarius, Taurus, and a fellow Scorpio. And there is a closure here. For some of you, this is a completion. This is like the wholeness. You are feeling, what do you call this? Completed the cycle. This is the complete integration of your life and the world around you. Others of you, maybe you are going to have a recognition in the school, a graduation. Congratulations. Maybe you are going to receive your diplomas, your medals. Also, congratulations. Others of you, there is a traveling here. Maybe you are going to relocate or to travel to other place or other country, or somebody wants to travel towards on you. This is the major transformation in your life. Out with the old and with the new. You have lots of clarity here. You also understand why the things happen the way it was in the past. Your eyes is as clear as crystal. You come out and you completed the cycle in your life. Now you are stepping forward to the new era of your life, unapologetically. Others of you guys, if you have a platform in social media, it could also be that your platform is going viral. This is like World Wide Web. The world is watching you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Take only what fits in your story. This is your hopes and fears. It's because for some of you, since Scorpio is a fixed sign, and maybe you are also dealing with a fixed sign, and it is difficult for us to change, to embrace the change. And that's why this is the hopes and fears. Since Scorpio is a fixed sign, and sometimes it's difficult for us to embrace the change in our life because we hate changes. But sometimes, or we need to change in our lives, especially when the people aren't no longer serve good us in the past, and we need to leave behind. We need to transform and to reborn again as a stronger version of ourselves. We are famous because with this transformation, because Scorpio is the phoenix rising from the ashes. Yeah, we can create and destruct because our ruling planet is Pluto and Mars. Yeah, creation and destruction, transformation and rebirth, power, drive, and action. This is a powerful changes in your life, a new era. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the final outcome is the Wheel of Fortune. Wow, the World and the Wheel of Fortune. You look, the World, the Wheel of Fortune, and the Justice. You have here 5 major arcanas. The World, the Wheel of Fortune, the Justice, the Tower, and the Devil. These are the 5 major arcanas in this reading. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with the same 4 fixed sign, like this, the World. Could be that you are dealing with an Aquarius, Leo, Taurus, or a fellow Scorpios. Double confirmation. The Wheel of Fortune, the World. Yeah. This is the cycles of life, the rhythm of life. And I feel like there is an unexpected, an unusual change will occur in your life. Your life will never be the same again, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. You look the world, you complete the integration of yourself and the world around you. That means you are not the same person before, because you are leaving the past behind. The people who are no longer serve you in the past. And the wheel of fortune is spinning in your favor. Although there is an unusual change will happen here, but you need to embrace this change. It's because the more you resist, the more your life gets harder. You resist the cycle of your life. And this change is in your favor. You are going to have a good fortune, good karma, and good luck with this new era of your life. You look, it could also be that you are dealing with the 4 fixed sign in the zodiac: Leo, Taurus, Aquarius, and fellow Scorpios. And you need to embrace the change, because nothing is permanent except changes, and change is inevitable. But these changes is in your favor, because the wheel spin in your favor, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. And I love this card for you. Congratulations. This reading have 5 major arcanas. Take only what fits in your story, okay? Remember, your life will never be the same again. And aside from that, there is a fortunate change, a huge change. Clarify me, please, the wheel of fortune here. Tell me more about the wheel of fortune in this reading, please. Show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Why? Thank you, spirits. The wheel of fortune is clarified as depth, awareness, importance, and value. For some of you guys, it could also be that now you realize that changes is very important in your life. You need to leave the painful scenario in your life, the people who are no longer serve you in the past. You need to accept. Yeah, others of you are aware that you need to change, because change is inevitable. And aside from that, nothing is permanent except changes. For some of you, you go depth. You are advised here to explore depth. This is the realization. You are aware of your value. You are aware the importance of your existence in this world. And that's why you are advised to embrace this change, which is in your favor, the fortunate change. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me, please, the tower in this reading. Why the tower here, please? Tell me more about the tower in this reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Why the tower here, please? The tower is clarified as conflicted decision, hot and cold, multiple choices. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with either a fellow Scorpio or an Aries. Could also be other sign. Could be that you have conflict with this person in the past. This person having a multiple choice. This person is indecisive. Could also be that this person put you in a third party situation. Could also be that this person betrayed you or doing trickery behind the scenes. I don't know who is this person in your life. Could be in your family, could also be in your workplace, could also be your ex, could also be in your friend circle, or in the community. And their illusions, their lies was exposed. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me, please. Why the devil here? Tell me more about the devil in this reading. The devil is clarified as spying, social network information waste. You look, double confirmation, the page of swords. Somebody here is spying on you far from a distance. And this is the clarification of the devil. This person is strongly obsessed on you. This person wants to control you. This person is a very toxic and manipulative person. And this person is spying on you far from a distance through your social media, gathering some information and ways on how to approach or to communicate with you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Could be an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. Could also be a Capricorn. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me, please, the world in this reading. Why the world here? Please tell me more about the world in this reading. For the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Why the world here, please? The world is clarified as distracted, sidetracked, change, delays. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with this 4 fixed sign in the zodiac: Leo, Taurus, Aquarius, or a fellow Scorpio. And this person wants to mislead you, to delay your blessings, to delay your new beginnings. Because this is your new beginnings, they hate that you move on. They don't want you to move on, because when you move on, they have no power to control you, because they are obsessed on your energy. Could be that you are dealing with this 4 fixed sign, and they want to mislead your new beginnings. Maybe these are Taurus, fellow Scorpios, Aquarius, or Leo. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me, please, the justice in this reading. Tell me more about the justice here, please. Why the justice in this reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? Why the justice here, please? The justice is clarified as realizing, releasing, purifying, cleansing. For some of you guys, it could also be that this person who embodied the energy of a Libra, or you have a Libra in your birth chart, are now realizing the truth, who you are. This person wants to heal the relationship between you and them. Yeah. Could be a Libra, could also be a person who has an authority. Yeah. It could also be that this person needs healing, or you are the one, or both of you needs healing. To release all the negative energy in the past. This is healing, purifying, and cleansing. Could be that this person wants to heal the grudges between you and them. Could be a Libra, or a person who has an authority. Could also be that this person needs healing, or both of you needs healing, especially the trauma both you have experienced, to detoxify yourself so that you can start this new era of your life without baggage, because this is the world. You complete the integration of your life and the world around you, and that's why you need to heal the toxic energy in your body caused by the past people who created toxicity, especially this, you look, the Tower, the lies, deception, and deceit. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me, please, why the Page of Swords in this reading. Why the Page of Swords here, please? The Page of Swords is clarified as sorrow, loss, grief, depression. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. This person is now in sorrow. This person is feeling loss. This person is felt grief and having depression. It could also be that this person is now spying on you because this person is obsessed on you and wants to control you. Could be an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. And now this person is feeling lost. Because for some of you, you cut off the ties of this person and you block also in your social media and in your mobiles. All they can do is to spying and gathering some information on you through your social media. Because they are feeling depressed of what they have done to you in the past. They couldn't believe that you cut the ties off. And you also give this person a silent treatment. You have nothing to do with this person because you are no longer attach your energy with this person. And that's why they are feeling loss and sorrow. They are sad. They are in pain for losing you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. All they can do is to become a stalker, to spy on you in your social media. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me, please, the Nine of Pentacles here. Why the Nine of Pentacles in this reading, please? The Nine of Pentacles is clarified as lasting, forbidden, non-committed sexual energy. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Virgo, or you have a Virgo in your birth chart. It could also be other sign. I feel like this person in the past is not a real deal. This person is contacting you or connected with you. It's because of their lust, the sexual desires on you. This is not a real deal. This person is non-committal. They only want to have lust, a flirt, a fling, and an infatuation. They only want to sleep with you, to have a sexual intercourse, but they are non-committal. They doesn't want to commit you. This is in the past. Yeah. Could also be that this person is craving on your energy because you are no longer dealing with this person anymore. Could be a Virgo. This person could be your ex. Could also be in your a new person. Could be your ex or your partner that you are separated. It could also be a new person. I don't know who is this person in your life, but this is related to lust, sexual desires. Yeah, look. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me, please, why the Lovers here. The Lovers is clarified as emotional storm, turmoil, unstoppable, affected. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a karmic twin flame. You look, and this person could be still dealing with a karmic partner, and there is an emotional storm. There is what you call this, non-clarity. Yeah, this person is sad. Or it could also be that this is your energy. You are still dealing with a karmic partner. I don't know. Could also be that this is the energy of the person you are dealing with. This is a karmic twin flame. Could be a Gemini. Could also be other sign. It could also be that both of you are still dealing with a karmic partner. And that's why this is the reason why somebody have felt emotional storm, because maybe you are staying in a karmic partner. That ends your readings for today, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. I hope you enjoy your reading, and if it is resonates to you guys, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share. Until the next time, I love you all. Bye.